We brought this year a painting by Filippino Lippi to the fair. And Filippino Lippi was an Italian master from the 16th century, the late 16th century. And this painting is very important because it hasn't been on the art market for over 100 years. We see two saints, and these two saints were part of a big altarpiece which was meant for the convent of San Donato in the surroundings of Florence. And this convent ordered in 1482 an altarpiece by Leonardo da Vinci. But Leonardo da Vinci never finished it. This was of course a big problem for the friars there, so they ordered a new altarpiece by Filippino Lippi, who was a big master at that moment. This altarpiece was delivered to the convent of San Scopeto in 1469. The complete altar stood there for over 30 years, because in 1529 the city was sieged by another city in Italy, and then they broke down the altarpiece and put the paintings in storage in the Uffizi. The predella, so the underside of the altarpiece, consisted of 5 parts, 5 paintings, and they all disappeared actually. And after 400 years, so around 1900, they all came into the art market. And this piece was together with another piece in an exhibition in London in 1894. And 6 years later it was sold at auction in London. And then it disappeared again. And we recently discovered this in a private collection in Germany and bought it to present it here at TEFAF.